2 of the Webwork problems that are in your homework that I'm asking you to do today. And this here is my first problem. So we're given f of x equals x cubed minus 3. That sketch is in red, and the graph of g of x, which is sketched in blue, is above, right? And we're going to use a translation rule to identify what g of x is. Well, it appears that g of x is just f of x flipped over the x-axis. So what you need to do is which transformation flips us over the x-axis. Now you should know, of course, that's negative f of x, that when you take the opposite of all the y values, some y's go up, some y's go down, you're reflecting over or flipping over that x-axis. So g of x is the same thing as negative f of x, right? And so what is negative f of x? Well, since f of x is x cubed minus 3, we want to take the opposite of x cubed minus 3, which of course is negative x cubed plus 3. And so down in the box, you're going to actually type in, negative x to the third power minus 3 and submit. And that should give you the correct answer, okay? So there's a number of problems like this where you could be flipping over the x-axis or the y-axis. You need to know, am I talking about f of negative x or negative f of x? Which type, or negative f of negative x if you're reflecting over the origin? And then transform the equation in the correct way to give back the actual equation of the new function, of the transformed function, okay? Good. The second one is just points, right? So this is one of my problems, a prime, b prime, c prime. So the image is the result of reflecting across the line x equals y. We know that anytime you reflect across the line x equals y, we're talking about f inverse of x, right? And f inverse of x is found on the points when you switch x and y, right? So since a is the point negative 5, 1, a prime is going to be 1, negative 5. And so you're just going to adjust all of the points accordingly. C prime is going to be 1, negative 1 instead of negative 1, 1. Here, E prime is negative 4, negative 8, right? B is not listed. Luckily, we don't have to do that. Its point isn't listed. If it was, it would be like, I don't know what that is. It looks like it's like negative 4, negative 7, or negative 3, negative 7, or negative 8, something like that. Positive 8. Anyways, fill in the points and you're done, right? Submit the problem and that should be good. There's 11 questions in the Webwork. Good luck on them. I'll be around Thursday to answer any questions if you have any. All right, thank you guys so much and have a great day.